So for your continued comfort and safety, as well as the comfort and safety of those around you, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and refrain from moving above the cabin as well as using the washrooms at this time. When the captain does switch the seatbelt sign off during this flight, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. This is a non-smoking flight. For your information, there are 2 washrooms aboard the aircraft, one in the forward of the cabin and one located in the rear of the cabin. Each washroom is equipped with a sensitive smoke detector, and tampering with these smoke detectors is a federal offense. As well, folks, we have activated your live satellite television for your viewing pleasure. The channel changer, volume control, channel control, brightness, as well as the jack for your headset are located on your armrest. If you do not have your own headset that is compatible with our system, we'll be making our way through the cabin once it's safe for us to do so, to sell you our $1 version or our upgraded version for $3. There's 25 channels of free Bell Express view for your viewing pleasure, as well as 4 movie channels, and I believe the movie channels are on 26, 27, 28, and 29. You do have to be on that channel when you're going to rent a movie. You swipe your card and then follow the prompts. If you do have any questions regarding the movies, just let one of your flight attendants know. Thank you so much and enjoy.